In this video, we will talk about static elements, and the static elements are those elements that you will use a lot in your project. You will use it a lot for building your landing page, building your website, and even also building a calculator. Let's jump right away onto that one. We will go to components, and in components, we will look for static elements. The first element that we will discuss will be heading. Heading is used for titles. You can change the heading text here. And yeah, you can change also style. You can add a lot of elements here, like the size, the weight, the color, everything that you need to make your title better. But we are not going to go to that, but you can maybe come here and explore. Let's go to the next element, and the next element is text. Besides this heading, we also have text, and then for text is everything that you want to add or explain in your website or landing page, mainly all the paragraph or the text descriptions that you want to add. Same as a heading, you won't change it here in the builder. You need to go to properties and you can change here the text. Okay, let's go to the next elements. We go back to component. We look again for static elements and we look for image. Image is very easy also to upload. You can just go there, you find for your image that you want to upload. Images, of course, you will use and reuse a lot in your website. You need to show your product, you need to show your features. Maybe you will need to show also your face as well. So there's a lot of cases for image. You just need to find in them, but then it's very easy to add all the images that you need. Let's go to the next element, which is going to be video. Also another one that you might use and reuse a lot for your project. Sometimes you want to explain in a text. Sometimes you want to explain with an image, but also sometimes you want to explain like what we are doing right now via the video. For that one, we go to static elements and look for videos. Again, as simple as the image, you just need to look for what is the video that you want to upload, and then you just upload that one. As simple as that, we explain 4 different elements. We explain headings that are mainly for titles or for big text. We also explain text, which is for paragraph, just explaining a lot of description maybe that you might have in your calculator or your website. We also show how to upload images and videos. This is the video for now. Good luck, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us.